Coming up today and the coming week in and around the city of Pattaya, Friday the 5th of September, backed by popular demand, is the live performance by December Night. The show kicks off at 7:30 p.m, but best to get down there early to snag a good seat. Saturday the 6th of September is the Nature Appreciation Workshop at the Brew and Bar on the ground floor of the Holiday Inn Hotel. A cosy, hands-on floral workshop where you'll learn how to dry flowers to create your own floral gifts. Coffee and tea will be served throughout the workshop. That's from 2 to 4:30 p.m, and advanced reservations for this one are essential. One not to miss on Sunday is the Dim Sum and Delight Brunch at the Yitong Chinese Restaurant and Sky Bar on Pattaya 2nd Road. Enjoy an afternoon of live jazz, cooking stations and unlimited dim sum, including dumplings, Peking duck and crispy pork. That's from 12 noon until 3 p.m. The Central Marina Outlet Mall, in collaboration with the Thai Red Cross Society, is holding a blood donation drive this Saturday the 6th. All blood types are needed as supplies are running low, and that's on the 2nd floor of the mall next to the Siam Commercial Bank, from 11 till 3 p.m. If you're into yoga, also at the Central Marina Outlet Mall is the Basic Yoga for Good Health event. That's on Wednesday the 10th of September at the activity area on the 2nd floor and completely free of charge. This Sunday will see the return of the Premium Sunday Brunch at the Collective in front of the Holiday Inn Hotel. Your choice of 3 or 4 courses, including seafood, striploin steak, rock lobster, lamb and more, with prices starting at just 950 baht net per person. That's from 12 noon till 3 p.m, and advance reservations are recommended. This weekend at the Terminal 21 shopping mall is the Fun Food Fest. That's on the runway of the mall from 5 p.m. till late. And their Go Go Japan event will kick off on Thursday. Experience the vibrant Japanese culture, food and fun of Japan, all in one place. That's every day until the 21st. And last but not least, Friday the 12th of September is the launch of this year's International Tattoo Amazing Fest Pattaya, a 2-day-long festival on Friday and Saturday next weekend, featuring top tattoo artists from over 27 countries around the world, live tattoo battles, competitions and cultural performances. The venue for this is the Royal Garden Plaza shopping mall on Pattaya Beach Road. For more information on these events or to find out what else is happening in and around the city ahead of time, visit our events page over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.